Today's equipment maintenance relies heavily on human labor, which can be a headache for many companies. Downtime due to equipment failure, labor cost for repair work, challenges of skills transfer and automation, and the impact on quality are all major concerns. Condition-based CBM solution enables smart maintenance by utilizing AI to detect signs of abnormalities with high accuracy. The solution collects target sensor data, such as vibration and temperature data, and applies advanced edge processing and AI-based multivariate analysis to build a smart maintenance system. Processing such data in the cloud involves issues such as bandwidth consumption, latency, and server load. However, with edge computing, sensing data is pre-processed in real time, and only the parameters with high contribution are sent to the server side, which enables improved accuracy and faster processing. By using AI to analyze and optimize the correlation between machine and equipment conditions and product quality, it also contributes to the quality improvement. While some companies promote automation to improve productivity, if workers are not on site to notice abnormalities, it can lead to problems such as creating high volume of defects. AI-based smart maintenance can determine, detect, and predict abnormalities of an equipment, enabling both efficient maintenance and increased productivity. Smart maintenance is beginning to be adopted by many leading companies. You can also start today by checking out our white paper on how to get started. We provide a solution that makes it easy to build and implement a CBM. Please visit our website for details.